This is Henle First Year Latin, Lesson 25, Part 2, Interrogative Particles. The first thing in this section is some new vocabulary. You can see here we have certus aum, which means certain or sure. That's an adjective that's going to decline like the first and second declension adjectives. There's also barbarous aum, which means barbarian-like, and it is also a first and second declension adjective. Apud is a preposition that takes the accusative, and it means among, in the presence of. Plurimum is an adverb, meaning very much or very. Veleo, veleri, velui, veluturis is a second conjugation verb that means am strong. Veleo means am strong, am well, or am influential. I think of the word value in English for this verb. People who are strong, well, and influential are valuable members of society. That's not exactly politically correct, but it does indeed go together. And then we have cerno canere, which is a third conjugation verb, and it means to distinguish or see. So that's the end of that vocabulary section. And then Mr. Henle goes on to start talking about the particle ne. This is that little bit that gets stuck on the end of a word that makes the verb into a question. So you see here we have veles ne, and that means are you strong? That one word by itself is this whole sentence in English. Then we have a couple of practice sentences. So, was the chief influential among the Romans on account of his faithfulness? So you see here we have wallabat ne. So this would be was influential. Who was influential? The chief. This is the nominative. So was the chief influential? Apud means among the Romans. You notice this is the accusative case. On account of, which also takes the accusative, on account of his, which is in the genitive, faithfulness. So that's the end of that little portion.